Hello everyone. Good evening all of you. Welcome to our YouTube channel Library Science with Rakesh Meena sir. So guys, today we are going to start our test series video number 5. Let's start now. This video was helpful for these given examinations, so read and watch carefully. Let's start now. The first question of this test series is National Library Week in India is being celebrated annually since. Option number A is the 1914, option number B is 1933, option number C is the 1950 and option number D is 1968. So guys, tick the correct answer. The correct answer of this question, option number D. Option number D is the 1968. In the year of 1968 is being first time celebrated National Library Week, and the current National Library Week is 2021. The theme of 2021 National Library Week is Welcome to Your Library. Next question of this test series. Question number second. Question number second is Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, the Union of Education Minister, formally declared one of the following libraries open to the public on 2nd February 1953. So option number A is the Connemara Public Library, option number B is the Delhi Public Library, option number C is the National Library Calcutta, and option number D is the Saraswati Mahal Library Tanjore. Choose the correct answer guys. The correct answer of this question, option number C. Option number C is the National Library Calcutta. The National Library Calcutta is opening journey started in March 1836 and formally opened to the public Imperial Library of India is 13th January 1903. That is the 30th Jan 1903, and it was also located in Kolkata. And Connemara Public Library and Saraswati Mahal Library is also known public library. Next question is the library literature is a which type of document sources? First option is the primary source of information, second is secondary source of information, third option is tertiary source of information, and fourth is the literary source of information. So tick the correct answer quickly guys. The correct answer of this question, option number C, tertiary source of information. It is a part of primary and secondary source of information. These are sources that involved index, abstract, organizing and compile and digesting data. Some of the example of tertiary source of information, that is the dictionary, encyclopedia, books, others. Next question of this test series is question number 4th. Fourth question is the frequency of data India's is. So tell the frequency of data India is. Option number A is weekly, option number B is fortnightly, option number C is monthly, and option number D is bi-monthly. So choose the correct answer of this question guys. The correct answer of this question, option number A. The frequency of data is published by weekly, and it was published Press Institute of India. Press Institute of India, and it has headquarter of New Delhi. And it Press Institute of India also stabilized in the year of 1963. 1963. Okay guys, next question of this test series is the question number 5th. Question number 5th is denoted by Berne Convention is concerned with. Option number A is the translations, option number B is copyrights, option number C is the patents, and option number D is the standards. The correct answer of this question, option number B. Option number B is copyright. Option number B. Copyright and patents and trademark, it is a part of intellectual property rights, and it also organized by Constitution of Law of India, and India was celebrated also Copyright Day. Next question is the test series is question number 6. The Indian state which enacted library legislations in the year of 1948 is which state? Option number A is the Kerala, option number B is Meghalaya, option number C is Tamil Nadu, Madras, and option number D is the Rajasthan. So guys, choose the correct most appropriate answer, tick the quickly. The correct answer of this question, option number C. Option number C is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu was give the Library Act and Library Legislation Act 1948, and Kerala was also enacted the Library Legislation Act is 1989, and Rajasthan is also 2006, and Tamil Nadu was also 1948. Okay guys, and next question of this test series, question number 7th. The concept of selective disseminations of information, SDI, was enunciated by Dirk Austin. Option number A. Option number B is DJ Foskett. Option number C is H.P. Luhan, and option number D is the B.C. Buckley. Choose the correct and right answer guys. Option number C is the correct answer. The correct answer of this question, H.P. Luhan. H.P. Luhan was founded of SDI. SDI is the part of reference services. And it was also provided in the library of all over India. Next question is the question number 8. 8th question is current awareness bulletin is the part of, first option is primary source, second option is annual report, third option is trend report, and fourth option is information product. Choose the correct answer guys. The correct answer of this question, option number C. Option number C is trend report. Trend report is also known as a currently news of report. Annual report is a published by annually. Information product is a part of information data, and primary source of is a part of source of datas. Okay guys, remember these things. Next question number 9. In the year of 1966, the Mark as a pilot project was launched by. Option number A is the OCLC, option number B is the American Library Association, option number C is Library of Congress, and option number D is the British Library. Tick the correct answer guys quickly. The correct answer of this question, option number C. Option number C is also denoted Library of Congress. It is the correct answer of this question. OCLC is online full form of OCLC full form of online library center. Okay guys, and next question of this series, question number 10th. Question number 10th is the most important question. It is also asked by in many examinations, so read carefully and watch now. The SHARC Documentation Center was established in the year of. The SHARC Documentation Centers was established in the year of. Option number A is the 1975, option number B is the 1979, option number C is the 1982, and option number D is the 1984. So choose the correct answer guys quickly and fast. The right answer of this question, option number D. Option number D is denoted by the year of 1994. Okay, and the full form of SHARC is the South Asia Association Regional Corporation. Okay guys, and SHARC was founded in the year of 1985. It is a organization of many different countries to enlarge our services and things and products. Next question of our test series is question number 11th. Ranganathan's canons of classification as grouped into 3 plans of work are called. Option number A is the idea, verbal and number. Option number B is the idea, verbal and notational. Option number C is the natural, artificial and computer. Option number D is number, common, isolate and connecting symbols. Okay guys, so this is the important question and read carefully and select the correct answer. The correct answer of this question, guys, option number B. Option number B is denoted the idea. Idea is a mental thing. Verbally is a part of human activity, and notational is a part of written things. Okay, and next question is the first block of ISBN is a. Option number A is the geographic identifier. Option number B is the title identifier. Option number C is the publisher identifier, and option number D is the author identifier. So choose the correct and right answer, guys, quickly. I hope you enjoyed the test series, and please like, share and comment our YouTube channel and video series, and please share this video our groups and channels. The right answer of this question, option number A. Option number A is calls identifier identifications, geographical identification. Okay, and the full form of ISBN is called International Standard Book Number. Okay, guys, ISBN is 13 digit, and presently it is cover only 10 digit. Okay, guys, and next question is the question number 13. Theory X and theory Y were formulated by. Once again repeat the question number 13. Theory X and theory Y was formulated by. Option number A is the Douglas Mary McGregor. Option number B is Peter Drucker. Option number C is Abraham Maslow, and option number D is F.W. Taylor. These are totally involved the management part and management authors. So choose the correct and right answer, guys. The right answer of this question, option number A. Okay, guys, option number A. And theory X and theory Y is related to management part of an institute and organization, and it is totally depend on human behavior. Okay, guys, and next question of our video series is the method of reducing the physical size of a block of information is called. Option number A is the information reduction. Option number B is the data compression, and option number C is data retrieval, and option number D is the information size. So, guys, we are discuss all 4 options. Please choose the correct and right answer. The right answer of this question is data compression. Okay, guys, data compression is a part of data reducing. Data oblique information reducing. Okay, guys, and last question of this test series is it is the most commonly question and asked every appropriately examinations. The question number is 15. Which one of the following is a volatile memory? it is very common question, so read carefully and tick the right answer. Option number A is RAM, option number B is the CD-ROM, option number C is hard disk, and option number D is floppy disk. There are 4 options are relating to memory part of computer. Memory part of computer. And correct answer of this question is option number A. Option number A is the RAM. RAM full form is random access memory. Okay guys, and volatile memory is mean by RAM, and volatile is a called memory that requires electric current to retain data. If the power is turned off, all data is erased our computer and services, so called volatile memory. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the test series. These are videos is commonly part of test series and our lecture series. Thank you guys. Please like, share and comment our YouTube channel and video series. Thank you so much.